This week is going to be a big one for AR, VR, and an exciting time indeed. This is Apple's, major product category that they've rolled out, obviously since the passing of Steve Jobs. We have something that is going to hopefully change how we interact with computers. Starting off with a really, really expensive headset, the Apple Vision Pro. This is very much a high-end device at the moment, right? We're talking $3,500 at least. You're going very much north of $4,000 if you're trying to get, obviously the higher storage variants. But really, how you should think about this device is sort of like the Tesla Roadster of AR, VR headsets. And now once you've modeled kind of reality and you've got it all digitized, you can do pretty much anything. So all those crazy augmented reality apps you see in science fiction movies, absolutely realize it. This is like a very high-end sort of living room consumption device, hanging out with your friends, watching some media, playing board games. So I think it's going to be a very exciting time indeed.